In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Robinhood Gold subscription. Welcome back to this new tutorial video, everyone. In order to start using the Gold subscription of Robinhood, you'll need to just head over to the application of Robinhood, head over to the menu, and then you'll be able to see the option called Robinhood Gold. You'll receive a 30-day free trial so that you can use this feature without having to pay straight away. Now there are multiple features or multiple benefits that you get. Some features include you'll have immediate access to advanced investing features. You'll get a high yield cash tool so that you get more interest on your savings, as well as exclusive account matches. You'll be able to claim your 3% retirement match once you have the subscription of the Robinhood Gold. You will be automatically added once you have the subscription to the 3% retirement match. So that's pretty much all there is to it. These are the features that is available to you if you do subscribe to Robinhood Gold. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.